Czar Studio presents… Whoops! The producers messed up again! Here are our spots! We're just on time! Hey! That was my foot! And my new sneakers are ruined! These chips are yours! And these are yours! Keep it down! You're at a movie! Are we being loud? Would you like to try my chips? Yeah! These girls are so noisy! I can't hear anything! Can you stop crunching? I hope these chips will last till the credits! These rude girls need a lesson! Some magic and powder! From now on, everything around you will turn into chips! Learn some manners! What a weird taste! It's unusual! Enjoy the movie! What should we have for lunch? Let's see. There's nothing but chips in here. Oh yeah! My prayers were answered! Thanks! Dreams come true! Grab as much as you can! The last day of fall, and it got so cold! My favorite blanket! Your time has come! And yours! And yours! And yours too! It's so warm and nice! Oh no! It can't be! I forgot to get chips! A blanket of chips is a great idea! It's both yummy and warm! Awesome! Bath time! Wow! A chip shower! That's amazing! I love them! So crunchy! So nice! I'm having so much fun! I enjoyed both a bath and some chips! I wish it was like this every time! I just have to brush my teeth. Some toothpaste. It tastes unusual. Put chips in a blender. Add cheese sauce. Blend to get a paste. Fill a clean toothpaste tube with it. Seal the tube with parchment paper and a flat iron. Attach a printed label. It tastes like chips! This must be chip paste! Why would I need a brush? I'll eat the paste right from the tube! A yummy croissant! Lillian, want to have breakfast with me? No thanks, Mabel. I have delicious toothpaste. Oh, got it. I am so fed up with chips. They all taste the same. Want to try these? No way. And these? No. How about these? Oh no. Let's have a challenge. I'm in. Throw the dice and get what you'll be eating your chips with. A banana! Yay! Not bad, but it's not inedible. It's kinda yummy. My turn! Yay! Nutella! I love it! And it's twice as good! My turn! What's there? Oh no! Anchovies! Ew! Gross! I'll have to try. It's so slippery! Here I go! It's salty! That's pretty good! Now you! A cockroach! Really? Imagine you're in Thailand! There are so many dishes to do! Ew! Just don't breathe! Chips are close! Here you are, my babies! I'm gonna add milk to you and my breakfast is done! I just have to find a spoon! I know! We have chip spoons! Apply edible glue to a round rice chip. Attach a plastic spoon handle to it. Let's try! Whoops! I bit the spoon! That's yummy! I can't stop! Good thing we have a huge supply of chip spoons! It'll last me a long time. Welcome to the Salsa Festival! This salsa is very spicy. It'll drive you crazy. Hello, is the salsa tasting here? Wow! Oh yeah! What an amazing girl! Look at those nachos! I'm all ready! Where's the salsa? Try this! And this! Wow! It's really hot! Of course! Everything's hot in here! Guys, have some chips! Who's that? Look at her! She's my dream girl! Hi, guys! Here I am! Carefully poke nachos with a needle. And sew them to the brim of a hat. Cover the outer side of the hat with chips using edible glue. Attach a sauce container to the crown. Make room for El Nachos! Try our salsa! Oh no! I have my own special recipe! Enjoy! Here she is! A perfect woman! Our chip poker tournament is in full swing! The stakes are so high! Unbelievable! A chip mogul just joined the game! Didn't expect me? Let's play a serious game! What are your stakes? Here's my chip stake! Double! All in! Now pay attention! Victory! I won! All these chips are mine now! What? How come? That's not fair! Did she actually beat me? Today is not my lucky day! Stop panicking! You will have chips again! It's not the end of the world! I forgot something! I'll check the calendar! It's ice cream day today! Hello! Can I place an order for delivery? I need a huge bucket of ice cream! Delivery! Open up! Good afternoon! Money, please! Lillian, pay for the food! This is for you! Keep the change! Hey, this is just chips! Where's the money? They are cheese-flavored! I prefer paprika! What? Are there chips too? Awesome! Wrap a corn tortilla into a cone. Bake it for 5 to 10 minutes at 390 degrees. Put an ice cream scoop in a ready cone. Sprinkle it with chip crumbs. Decorate it with a round chip. This is delicious! I would eat this every day! Chips again! Lillian, don't we have anything else left besides chips? No. Want some? No way! I can't eat them either. I wish there was normal food in the fridge. Oh no! Chips again! I'm gonna get rid of you! I'll put all the chips right here! I won't leave anything! What's next? I know! I'll crush it and make chip juice! Oh yeah! That's a great idea! I have a chips party popper for cases like this! Take a party popper apart. Remove the wrapper. Get the confetti out. Put potato chips inside. Cover the holes with foil. Attach a printed Pringles label. Yay! Bye, chips! We're starting a new life! The girls are so sick of chips that they decided to ask supernatural powers for help. Miss Witch, please help us out! We can't live with this chip curse anymore! Chips are everywhere! I even see them in my dreams. All right, girls. Here's the potion that'll save you. But it will work only if you swear you'll never eat chips again. Deal! Go ahead then. Oh, it tastes nice. Move! Let me go! Oh no! My feet! Could you please keep it down? We can't hear anything. I'm gonna peel some oranges. Hey! Juice got right into the witch's eye. It's them again! Well, girls, watch out! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what you liked the most. A hat with chips, ice cream with chips, or toothpaste with chips? And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.